Watch. Rachel Zegler apologizes for Britney Spears video. Garrett Hedlund is facing a personal injury lawsuit from two women almost 2 years after a head-on car crash. In court documents filed on January 21 and obtained by E! News, Marina Venegas and her daughter, Jennifer Castillo, are suing the 37-year-old actor for negligence, alleging that he was responsible for head-on collision in Los Angeles on January 24, 2020. According to the suit, Hedlund allegedly passed out behind the wheel of his vehicle and ran a solid red light at a high rate of speed, colliding with a Nissan Sentra containing Venegas, Castillo and two minor children. As a result of the crash, Venegas and Castillo, as well as the other two passengers, suffered severe and permanent injuries and had to be taken to the emergency room, the document states. Venegas and Castillo claim Hedlund knew he was drinking to the point of severe intoxication before getting behind the wheel of his Jeep, a large heavy sport utility vehicle. He also knew that it was illegal to drive while intoxicated. He also knew that if he were to drive his SUV while under the influence of alcohol, it was probable that he would lose control of the SUV and cause a collision with another motorist or pedestrian, the lawsuit reads. Despite this actual knowledge, Hedlund purposely drank excessively with the specific intention of getting drunk. The women allege that the Triple Frontier star was well past the legal limit of 0.08% blood alcohol concentration and could have taken a taxi or called a ride share, but refused to do so. Despite knowing he was unfit to drive, Hedlund started his SUV and began driving down a busy street on a busy Friday night during the time when roads were still crowded and traffic was moderate, the lawsuit read. As if the excessive drunkenness and speeding were not enough, Hedlund also began weaving in and out of his lane, speeding and passing vehicles. They said Hedlund ran a solid red light that had been red for several seconds at approximately 50 miles per hour, causing a horrible head-on crash. Hedlund was arrested and charged with driving under the influence in the incident, according to the suit. Hedlund attempted to leave the scene of the accident without rendering aid to plaintiffs, the suit alleges. But he was so intoxicated he could not get. The mother-daughter duo stated, Hedlund had red, bloodshot, and watery eyes with extremely slurred speech and coordination and was so drunk that he was unresponsive to the police and witnesses. Hedlund was so inebriated he was unable to walk and was forced to sit in the Jeep, and Hedlund had finished drinking minutes prior to the accident. Per People, he was released on bail after the January 24 arrest. The Tron Legacy alum was arraigned in February 2020, where a judge ordered that he seek counseling, according to court records obtained by E! News. Hedlund pleaded no contest to one count of DUI and was found guilty, while a second DUI charge was dismissed. When the incident occurred, Garrett immediately sought treatment which was successful, his rep confirmed to E! News in November 2020. Today, he is in a solid and great place. A source also told E! News that Hedlund, who shares 12-month-old son Rhodes with actress Emma Roberts, was doing well following his run-in with the police. The insider said that the DUI arrest wasn't something that actually threatened a split between Hedlund and Roberts, 30. In their lawsuit against Hedlund, Venegas and Castillo are seeking punitive damages.